guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, my name is Ijoma Nebe and you're welcome. For my day ones, my G's, my long time subscribers, una know as they be, you guys, we already know ourselves. You understand that level. So in today's video, I will be reviewing this gorgeous hair from April Lace Wig store. Guys, this hair I'm about to show you, I'm very sure you've seen this hair already from thumbnail and my intro video, but this hair, let me tell you one thing about this hair that I'm loving so much before I now show you the brand. You know, last year my birthday shoot, I had like an afro wig on, and a lot of people loved the hair, and a lot of people kept on messaging me asking me, where did you get this hair? Oh my, I love this hair. A lot of people even copied my shoot. I don't mind at all, but I could not give out the brand because I didn't know the brand and I didn't know how to like send to a lot of people. So when April Lace Wig store reached out to me and the hair they want me to review is an afro wig, I'm like, why? The coincidence is just too much. I mean, my birthday was just 3 days ago and today I'm reviewing an afro wig, something similar to something I wore for my birthday last year, and I could not stop hearing like, oh my, give me. So here it is. You can patronize them now and shop the wig so that I can have peace and I can breathe. So guys, this is the wig. This is how it came. Very simple packaging, not too much drama. I mean, the hair speaks for itself already. So this is the wig. I'll show you guys this last, and the package came with a wig cap, and they also sent this pamphlets on how to like maintain your wig, why you should choose the brand, how to remove your wig, how to take care of your wig, how to bleach, like every single detail you need on how to take care of your hair is here. How thoughtful. Thank you so much, April Lace Wig. They also sent this pen. So this pen is actually for like your phone. You can, do you see that magic? I love this so much. I think this is like the best, no, aside the wig, this is like the best thing that came in this package, and I love it so much. It also has this part like you can use to write. So thank you so much, April Lace Wig. Let's get right into the hair. This is the Indian Virgin Human Hair Afro Curly Full Lace Wig for black women. This is 100% human hair, 10 inches, and this is the texture is Afro Curly hair texture, 130% density. Guys, all these details are in the description box below. You can check that when you're placing your order. This wig cap is regular full lace, and I feel there's no need for sewing in or gluing. That's my choice. You can see from the hair, because I'm trying to show you guys the inside of the hair. You don't need to do any extra gluing, but if you want, I think it can work. You can see the extra strap and the combs to secure your hair so there's no falling off, because nobody wants to get embarrassed. You get, I honestly feel with this wig you have a lot of options. You can do your ponytail, you can do your bun, and also braid your front hair. You can see it. The hairline is also pre-plucked and bleached already. Guys, this hair is so soft, very soft. If you've watched this video to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't go anywhere because I'll be installing this hair. Conditioner here and water. It's just small conditioner and small water, so I can comb this out. So I'm going to sprinkle a bit of it. I was already doing that, but I said I didn't tell you guys what was in the water that I was sprinkling, for those that would still want to ask. So So this is a big comb, and you can see that it's just tiny bit of shredding, not so much because it's a kinky hair. So I mean, the shredding is normal, but you can see that the texture of this hair feels so soft. You can see it feels really soft, and it's looking very natural. It's not even looking like an Afro wig. This is 10 inches, and see now. See. Ew. See, it's so nice. It's so nice. So I'm going to use these combs to hold it inside. I'm going to use these combs to hold it inside my hair. I think I have about 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 of it. So let's try that. I need to cut this lace too. How am I looking? Does that look like a what do what? Okay. I look so beautiful. I know. I look like all this black American. So I'm going to cut this lace now, just into 2. I think I need to hold it. So I need to hold it so I can see what I'm doing, and I can show you guys. You guys can see what I'm doing too. So I'm going to just hold the hair here. Sorry, I keep looking down here. My mirror is here, that's why. And hold this here. Hope you can see what I'm doing now. And this knot, like you can see the lace, it's bleached and pre-plucked already. So I basically don't even have any work to do, just to put my hair and go. No, and cut the lace. Very important. Guys, how am I looking? I mean, it's looking, I don't know, a bit dry. Did you guys like it when it was wet? So guys, this is like the final look of this hair. I know, don't tell me you love it, right? I don't think I love this one more than the one I wore for my birthday shoot last year. As in, this hair is so soft. That one was too heavy, and this feels like I have nothing on. I can't even pretend and act like this is my natural hair for we black ladies, you understand? This is the hair dry. You guys saw like when I had it wet. I think it's just I'm confused if I like it wet or I like it dry. One thing I also love about this hair is the fact that I can pack it up. I don't want to scatter this my hair. I'm feeling this look. I can pack it up. I can do baby hairs. It's a 360 lace wig, so I can pack it up and like have baby hairs around my hair. If I even want baby hair here, I can get it. And you can also color this hair, but I love this color. Maybe when next I'm reviewing this wig, I would maybe color it, but I like this color. I love this color. It's giving like this black American vibe, black woman vibe, black woman, you know, that kind of feeling. For those that will be interested in shopping this wig, which I know you should be, I mean, why won't you be interested? You can click the link in my description box to shop this hair. But if you need further details, so this wig is called Indian Virgin Human Hair Afro Curly Full Lace Wig for black women. No, I don't think it's just for black women, because any skin color can wear this hair, any skin color can rock this hair. But you know, like the whole afro thing is for like black women, but it's not stopping you. I mean, looking good is necessary, so you don't have to be black or whatever color to rock this hair. So rush now to April Lace Wig store website now and get yourself this hair. Don't forget, I told you earlier, this hair is 100% human hair, 130% density. This hair texture is super soft, and I feel it's going to last you for a very long time because you can rock it to whatever way you want. This is a 10 inches. So if you know you're going to get this hair, let me know in the comment section. Let me know. If you know you're going to get this hair for yourself, for your wife, for your fiancé, for your girlfriend, for your mother, very easy to maintain, let me know in the comment section. Okay, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to click on the link in my description box and shop this hair. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.